Hi guys, how are you today? I'm so glad you opened this video because today it's gonna be a very exciting video. I will show you all this beautiful stuff. And this time it was quite successful shopping, so stay with me and let's look at clothes together. This haul gonna be very interesting because today I have different type of clothes. We have a crop top, we have body, we have some homeware, yoga clothes, sweater and leather suit. Let's start from the beginning. As always, the first thing I want to show you is this crop top. It's almost like a bra, and I purchased it to wear it under clothes. For example, when you wear a shirt and you want few buttons to be open, you can wear it, or even on top of a shirt. Nowadays it's very trendy. It's kind of a basic item that can be used in lots of different purposes with lots of different outfits, and I thought why not. And Mango always have good quality, so whenever you are seeking for basic clothes and you find something in Mango, I would recommend to take it because Mango is still better quality than Zara, better than Bershka, better than Pull&Bear, and the price range is not that different. It's almost the same like all the brands I just mentioned. So the next two items are these beautiful bodies, and this season Mango has a huge variety of bodies of different design, different colors. I decided to go with more or less basics because, as I always say, there is nothing better than basic colors. It always will look expensive, always will look amazing, and plus for myself, I'm not big fan of patterns, I'm not big fan of very bright colors. I like more minimalistic outfits, more monochrome, black, beige, natural colors. So and if this is not the first video you are watching on my channel, you probably noticed it by now. So the first one is this black body, and the material is very nice and it's very complementary to body. It's this fabric that make you look a little bit thinner, a little bit tighter. The black color is very good, deep black, and the fabric has the straps. But when I saw it online, I didn't really understood the design. It's a little bit too open for me. I cannot imagine wearing such body to the office, to university. I think it's more kind of party look, or evening look, or maybe you can style it together with a suit or wear something on top, then it would be more appropriate. But in a true location and in the right conditions, this body will look amazing, and it totally depends how comfortable you will feel in it. And I think the best clothes is the one you feel yourself confident in. For me, this body makes me feel a little bit uncomfortable, and as you see, I didn't remove a tag. I'm definitely gonna send it back. But as a basic thing, and if it's your design, I would totally recommend. And the second body is the gray one. It's a bit warmer because material is thicker. It again has the straps, and it's a very nice silver color, I would say, not even gray. And again, it's very open in this area, and for me, again, I didn't feel comfortable. I feel a little bit shy. Also, I had this feeling that I will always be worrying that something may fall, something may open, so it's not really my type of design. But again, it depends from personal preference, right? And as a material, as a quality, it's top. As always, Mango, very good, very good. So gradually we came to homeware, and actually I'm not sure if you can call this gorgeous clothes just a homeware, because the big trend that started in the mid of 2020 and continuing to 2021 is comfortable clothes, something like a homeware that you can also wear out, because we sit at home so long with all this quarantine. Comfortable joggers, hoodie, yoga suits become something very usual for us. We wear it a lot, so designers thought why not to make it mainstream, why not to make it trends, and I personally love this trend. So first we will start from this yoga suit. It's a trio. For bras, this interesting top and bottoms. I love this peach color, and if you have dark hair like me, This color is very complimentary for all girls with dark hair, but doesn't mean if you are blonde or you have red hair it wouldn't suit you. You know, you can't generalize everyone and tell if you are blonde, blue color is not for you, or if you have dark hair you can't wear black colors. Never listen to it. In my opinion, these rules are very subjective and it depends from person to person. For example, for me, I know that blue color is very complimentary, but my sister, who has very similar look as I am, blue doesn't suit her at all. And I mean, we both have dark hair, we both have black eyes, but see, this rule doesn't apply to everyone. So before telling I'm never wearing black in my life or I'm never wearing blue in my life, try. And also blue, there is not just one color of blue, there are a million different shades of blue, right? As any color. So never just dismiss color because someone told you blue is not for you. Anyway, I get a little carried away. I would say that the quality of this yoga suit is very nice, and what I like the most about it is that the price is very friendly, you know. If you want to buy yoga suit in Oysha, it will cost probably double. If it's some Nike or Adidas, for sure it's gonna cost more. So this time Mango did a very good job with bodies, with activewear, homeware, and if you are seeking new workout clothes, I really recommend you to check Mango website. You will be surprised. And the next one is this homeware, and as I told in the beginning, I'm not a big fan of colors, but when the colors are not very catchy, not very kitschy, I would say, something like this, you know, in my opinion, it's very deep sky blue color, but it's not very bright. I love this kind of colors. I think they always look very expensive. I think they look fancy. And yes, this activewear is again trio. It has pants, it has this kind of bra. I can't call it top because it's basically just a bra, and this short sleeve jacket on top. And the material again very nice. I'm so amused this time with each item because quality is very good, all but one, and I'm coming to this item. I will tell you why I'm not that satisfied with it. But anyway, this trio is amazing. Again, if you are searching activewear, if you are searching some clothes for home or maybe for weekend, because I mean you wouldn't wear it for your job probably if you work in the office or if you are a teacher. Anyway, you see what you get. And now we are coming to the two items that really look good but such a huge disappointment quality wise. So it's this costume that has this hoodie and pants. As you see, color is amazing. I'm just in love with this color. Let's take a second to appreciate it. Color is nice, model is nice, design is nice, it suit good, it sit good, but material, oh my god, the quality is so bad. I wore it just once and now it's full of these tiny puffs, you know. If you touch something, if you scratch it over something, or even on your watch, on your earrings, it gets this awful puffs. And I know that it's possible to remove it. It's not that a big deal, not something that like you can't deal with. But why would you purchase item in first place that is so fragile? I mean, in the end of the day, it's not like crystal vase, right? It's clothes that you want to feel comfortable in, and plus it's hoodie. You probably want to wear it somewhere active, where you're not gonna take a nap, where you're gonna probably walk and do stuff. So I don't recommend it, really, because this time Mango, very bad quality. Even though it's very warm material, feels nice to your skin, but this is not acceptable. I mean, it's not cheap to buy this costume and spend this money and then you get this quality. Come on, Mango. I know you are capable of better stuff. And the next item is this basic sweater. And surprisingly, it was very cheap because, you know, on photos it looked so amazing, but when it came, I understood why it's so cheap. First of all, it's very thin. It's not a sweater for -5. It's sweater for maybe 10 degree, 5 degree warm weather. And yeah, you can't wear it in deep winter, but for spring, very nice. And it has this nice opening in front and in back. Color is good, material is good, design is good, price is good. This is the most important thing, right? And yes, not bad, so I would recommend. The next item is this black man. What man? The next item is this black mom jeans, and I couldn't hang it because I wasn't sure how can I hang mom jeans and make it look nice on a rack. So I decided I will just show you like this, so forgive me for that, guys. Anyway, my big mistake was that I purchased this mom jeans in size 34, and I truly, genuinely, with all my heart believe that I am so thin and small, but obviously they're a little small to me, so if you're buying pants, please always buy your size, because otherwise you wouldn't be able even breathe in it. And pants, it's not something that's supposed to make you suffer in this life. Anyway, beside than that, the quality is not bad, and they were costing not that much. It's a usual mom jeans, they suit quite good. They are quite thick. I'm not sure how good is this denim and how long it will serve you. And the last but not least clothes that I want to show you, it's this pantsuit. Blazer and pants. Now in 2021 leather is very trendy, and there are lots of examples in Instagram and Pinterest how fashion influencers style it, and it's always look very gorgeous. But on my personal experience, I would tell you it's very important, as in any clothes, how the model fits you, For example, this pantsuit looked so good on website, but for me didn't suit at all. I mean, you see now, and the pants look too bulky. It makes me look like a tree. Or I don't know, it's just not right. It doesn't suit me right, and this is the smallest size they have. But when I try to wear this blazer separate from pants, and I'll show you some photos how I style it, it looks good. But again, the price is too expensive, it wasn't cheap pantsuit, and as always I will leave you all links down below, and if they don't have this item anymore, I will try to find something similar. Anyway, you'll find all links down. My point is that when you pay your money, and not small money, for an item should be perfect, or at least like 8 out of 10. For me, this pantsuit, I would say quality is 10 out of 10, color 10 out of 10, design, but it doesn't suit me at all. So overall for me it's just maybe 5 out of 10, and sure, I'm not gonna spend that much money for just 5 out of 10, right? And I wouldn't recommend you to do this either. And now we came to our last chapter. I want to show you some jewelries I purchased in Mango. Normally I like jewelries from Mango. They're always good quality. They live definitely longer than Zara jewelry. They don't get black. First is the earrings I'm wearing right now, and it's a golden earrings with some small flower detail. These earrings are very comfortable. They are small, their tender material is good, and the quality of them is very nice. Another two jewelry pieces I want to show you is these two chains. One is silver and one is golden. Golden one is a little bit heavier, and I think it's obviously why. It's a Mango Violet. Mango has a special department, Violet department, and there they normally sell stuff for more mature women. They also all usually have plus sizes, and if you never check this department in Zara, I would recommend you to check. They always have very nice accessories, very nice bags, shoe and jewelries. Anyway, this chain looks very good, and it's very trendy today to wear chain like this. It's not that heavy, it wouldn't make your neck hurt. It doesn't color, that is so important, and I think it wouldn't lose its color either. And the second chain, I actually love it. It's this silver chain. It's much more tender than this golden one. As you see, it's thinner, it has bigger pieces, and therefore it's look more minimalistic. I personally style it with that silver body that I showed you. And yeah, this one is not violet, I think. It's just mango, and both of them wasn't costing that much. Quality is quite good. They don't color the skin. Probably they wouldn't lose the color over time. I can't 100% guarantee that these ones wouldn't, but from my personal experience and all other jewelries I have from Mango, they live quite long, and yeah, they are normally very good quality. And yes guys, these were all items I wanted to show you today. I think this haul was quite productive, right? We looked through so many clothes, and I hope you found something you like. I hope maybe if you were hesitating about purchasing or not purchasing an item, now you know the answer. Anyways, thank you so much for staying till the end of the video. I love each and every of you who are watching my videos. Thank you so much for your time and attention, and see you in my next videos. Bye bye.